I went to the wrong place there. Then the security guard said I cannot film the hostel. So I say, okay, I cut that video because anyway I get lost. I supposed to go to another side. I went down there. So at the end I explained to him why I'm here, why I film. Then he said, oh my God, is it? I say, yeah, for this reason. Because it's a haunted place. And then I have a channel on YouTube. Oh, okay. So you can now we have trees. Then he recommended me coming here. He said there's a lot of funny thing here because a lot of trees. It's quite eerie here, this place. But I told them not to disturb them, leave them, because I told them they stay here before. This one's their house. And then people come and destroy. Not to hurt them. Oh my gosh. Look at this ravine. There's a ravine here. So this comes to a next level, man. First of all, look at this. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I know that I'm being filmed. I know that security guard here. It's not as a, if I don't know, I know. I'm aware of it. I told him that. But I'm not filming people hostel or the people, etc. I am filming only mostly the quiet road and the trees. Oh my God, this place is really eerie, you know. But a nice thing, they keep this small wood here. Here was all forest before they cut it down. Yeah. djinnie. Gina. The guy get afraid to walk here now. He said that he wake up, sometimes he wake up gasping for air, something attacking him, and then he have difficulty breathing. What's this? Exactly like what happened to me also. Gasping for air and cannot breathe. Difficulty breathing. That one is a spiritual attack. They say they can call sleep apnea, but that one is spiritual attack. Usually when you go do check up and they find nothing wrong with you. Oh my God, look at that. How dark is that? Wow, really dark, man. I never ventured that far before, and I must be careful not to get lost here because I say the layout is quite complex. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Just look at that. My God. It looks like that place, what is it called? The water catchment. Oh my God. This one might be the garden. No. Look at that. Look at that. That's fascinating. I am in control. I am the only authority in my life. Yeah. My gosh, what is this? This place is so dark. The tree. Oh. And then he told me, you are not scared. I say, no, I'm not scared. Scared of what? I just like this hobby, something that I like. I have always liked that. To ghost hunting. Oh goodness. I'm taking a look at that again. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man. So that's where they come from also. All the beings come from there. Opa. And there's something going on around here, you know. There's a lot of bad omen around. People getting accident and stuff. People need to start protecting themselves. Oh my God. Wow. That's so beautiful, this the area, and quite eerie too. Ah yeah, the moon. That the moon. The moon's not pink at all. See? Look at the moon. Yeah, it's pink, a bit pinky. Today's 23rd. Yeah. It's a bit of pinkish hue in it. Voila. Hey, I thought I saw something, but I think it's mistake. It's already midnight already. And I'm here. Now this is, I can tell you, this is what mean to have courage. You know, and it's nothing yet for me. This is what I mean, what they mean have courage and not go somewhere. I mean, also cycle on a busy road, you also need courage, a lot of it. Especially when people are filming and at the same time holding a camera with one hand into another, you hold the bike. Amidst a very busy road. That one requires a lot of courage. He didn't understand me. I just want to take film because I need to take. I like the architecture. Main architecture, I love it. You know, especially the old architecture, old type architecture. I love that. And the trees. I think we need to keep it in a image and a film so that when it's all gone, we know already that before we had this kind of architecture. This one leads to where? I don't know. Over there was a hostel. Okay, I'm going to. You see now? I will not take the tree. The tree is there, and here is the way to the backyard there. So that's what I want to take. Then suddenly the thing appear. My God. So nice, no? The world is changed, the world. People must be careful, you know. It's not the same like before. I mean no fear to spread fears, but people must be careful. How they think, what they do, be careful. Oh yeah, my God. I like to do many hobbies, and this is one of my favorite hobbies. Is coming to darkening, see dark area with plants and trees, little structure, and then just feel. Now the moon is no longer pink. Now I see it. See? Ah, yeah, it's a bit pink. Just a who. Oh, the ants is eating me up again. I don't know what takes people to live in harmony and peace with nature and with each other. There's some noises there. Noise there behind that plant. And I'm alone as far as the human's concerned. But of course I'm not alone where the invisible world is concerned. Because right now I'm not alone, I'm with them, but it's okay. I'm not afraid. I like to live and let live. Let it be your motto. Live and let live. Be you, human or no human. Wow. Until I told it before, I'll tell it again. That until 2018 here, there was a road that leads to another side. Now they block it. Amazed what they do. They put this thing here. I don't know, they bring something forward and then they close the road. Close the road. Wow. Go to this side here. Not you say. Believe in something I know in nothing at all. I still remember the moon always bright on my head, and now it seems dark.